Today we will be testing a 15-minute day trading strategy. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel. You can find a link below to join us on Discord. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 15-minute day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 149 different strategies with 52 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 86% win rate. That is the Academy of Forex strategy with the Z-score probability indicator. We've also tested a total of 994 indicators with 419 of them being winners. Now keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we're testing a 15-minute day trading strategy. And so the source video says this effective tool best TradingView indicator for traders of all levels. So a little bit challenging to say, but nonetheless, we're going to put this claim to the test and see if it is actually accurate. And so we'll go ahead and turn off these two indicators here. And so the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the reversion zone index, this one right here. And it will look similar to this here. We'll go into the settings, we'll make a few changes here. So the linked X, we are going to change that to 21. The source, we're going to change that to close. The linked one, we're going to change that to 16. And the standard div, we're going to change that to 3. You'll click OK, and it'll look like that. The next indicator we will want to add to the screen is going to be the envelope RSI, the dash buy sell signals, this one right here. You will add that to the screen and it will look similar to this here. We're going to go into the settings and make a few changes to this one as well. So for the envelope length, we're going to change that to 6. For the envelope source, we're going to change that to close. And for the RSI length, we're going to change that to 7 and we're going to click OK. Now that we have that set up, what we're looking for is the envelope RSI to give us a buy or sell tag. When we get a buy or sell tag like this right here, what we're going to do is then look down to the reversion indicator and look for what color it currently is in. So when we get a sell tag, we're going to then look for the reversion indicator to also be red in this overbought area right here. We're then going to enter into a short trade here. We're going to put our stop right above this sell tag right here. We're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward like so. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see what we get out of it. See that we make a push pretty much straight down, getting us to our take profit. Then you can see right here we pick up a buy tag, and then we're going to look down to the reversion zone index there, and it is green down in the oversold area. That's going to be our entry for a long. We're going to set our stop right below the buy tag, and we're going to target that 1 to 1.5 risk reward just like before. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see what we get. And so we get a little bit of a pullback there. Smooth that out of the way there. Right there, so we get a little bit of a push down. We avoid getting stopped out, and then we make that push right back up, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a TradingView indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 17 winning trades and 33 losing trades, putting us at a 34% win rate. Now with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your gain on the 17 winning trades would have been $10,200. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. With 33 losing trades, your drawdown there would have been $13,200 for a total loss of $3,000 altogether. So definitely not the most effective TradingView indicator for all levels. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex strategy, which I've mentioned a few times before already in this video. We did 69 trades during that same period of time. We had 50 winning trades and 19 losing trades, putting us at a 72% win rate. On the winning side, if we were looking to gain that same $600, we would have gained $30,000 altogether. On the losing side, we would have lost $14,820 for a total drawdown, or I'm sorry, a total gain of $15,180. Now, of course, that was over about a 6-month period of time, so $15,000 isn't too outlandish. A 72% win rate is not bad, but on the 15-minute time frame, that tends to be about normal. We tend to get the higher win rates on the 30-minute or the 5-minute time frame. Now, if you are interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for a Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator, and you also have to maintain your Patreon status, and so super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading indicator and strategy. Let's go ahead and go over the weekly signals, and so this is the signals from the Academy of Forex strategy on these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame. And so for this last week on the Forex pairs, there were 11 trades altogether. We had 6 winning, 5 losing for a 54% win rate. That would have put us down $300 on the week. For the crypto coin, we had 2 trades, 2 winning trades, a 100% win rate, and a gain of $1,200. For a combined total of a gain of $900 for the week. Now, of course, we're still in that holiday trading season, and so the market's a little bit choppy and unforgiving right now, which is why the win rate is a little bit lower than usual. And so, but even with that, a drawdown of $300 isn't too bad at all. So this is the reality of trading. You'll have good weeks and you'll have bad weeks. The idea is to have really good green weeks and very low red bad weeks. And so you see that we're keeping our losing weeks really small, and our winning weeks are usually significantly bigger, around $4,000 per winning week. And so in total for the last 5 weeks, our total would have been $14,080. And so, like I said, very efficient, profitable trading strategy. All right, that's it for this strategy here. This one is going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.